Tonight, recovery efforts continue in Hawaii after wildfires tore through the island more than 2 weeks ago. On Monday, President Joe Biden and the First Lady toured the island of Maui. So far, the federal government has approved more than $8 million in aid. East Tennessee native Joe Hurston just got back from Maui himself. He travels all over the world providing fresh, clean water to those in need. Hurston said he could not have done it without some East Tennessee support.
We've had such an outpouring of love and prayer and financial support. When we decided to go, we didn't have any of the units funded. Literally within hours, and just as we were departing, the final funding came in for these 10 units.
You can read more about his efforts and how to help victims from the fires online.